Dos, tres. Hello, my name is Federico Garza.
My name is Federico Moya.
And my name is Eugenio Villarreal.
Today we're going to be presenting the data we gathered over 30 days of COVID vaccination rates.
First of all, we need to start by saying that every amount of vaccinated people are in millions. So it's 71 million people that were vaccinated, for example. So as you can see in our results, we have a steadily increasing rate of vaccination per day. And the predicted results were actually not very far from what from the actual results, due to the fact that it was, as I already mentioned, it was steady.
Yes.
What he meant by the predicted results is that the equation we got, which is y equals 69.063e
To the power of
exponent to 0.0248x. And we did that in the x, you put the number of days, and that's what it means by predicted results and actual results. Moya?
Oh, yes. So to follow up with what he said about the predicted results in the function, with that, you can see the graph. And with the graph, you see the amount of vaccinated people. In the parentheses, you can see millions, since we are talking about millions in all this case. The blue dots that you see, that you can see a high increase and how it starts to move to the right, is the amount of vaccinated people. And then the more far you go to the right, you can see the amount is getting depending on the days, because that's what we try to base it in. Depending on the date, depends how many people start getting vaccine in the United States.
Yes, that is what we were reaching for. And by using the equation we gathered that Excel gave us, we were just plugging the y, the equal sign, and the numbers in the calculator, and that's how we got the predicted results. And we used the predicted results to get days like 35 days, 40 days, and 55. So here it's how they were supposed to, and this is how they were actually. As we can see, in 35 days, we got basically the same result. And in the 40 days, we got a pretty different result. And in 55, it was a very different, because it gathered an algorithm that wasn't a perfect predictor, but it was a good idea of how it was gonna come. Thank you. This is our team, and we have finished. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah.
Hope you like